Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To install Ionic, we need to have some prerequisites. If Node is not installed, you need to download and install it from the Node website. All the links will be mentioned in the description. Install the latest version.
Our installation have completed. Now, to confirm this, open command prompt and just type npm. Next step is to install Ionic CLI. We will use npm to install it. So guys, our Ionic installation is complete. Now we will test it using command prompt. Just type Ionic and press enter. In my next video, I will show you how to create a simple Ionic project. And we will create a mobile app. Stay tuned and subscribe to get connected.